G'day, this is Dave Boyle and this is a video on installing VisualWEAVE. VisualWEAVE is installed by double-clicking the MSI file, which is downloaded from threadcentral.net. Follow the prompts. If you receive a warning message about the .NET framework, please refer to my other video on this topic. As VisualWEAVE installs, it will place a shortcut on your desktop. There's a replacement exe file which is downloaded from the Thread Central website. Place that exe file into your VisualWEAVE installation folder. A link will be placed in the comments below as to where to find that file. The VisualWEAVE installation folder is in your C Program Files x86 VisualWEAVE folder, and the exe file from the website needs to be placed into that folder to replace the one which is installed by default. Once that replacement exe is in place, right-click on it and choose Properties. Then go to the Compatibility tab, and what you need to check is the Run this program as administrator. Now when you double-click on the VisualWEAVE shortcut on your desktop, VisualWEAVE will launch. And I'd like to check that version 1.0.1 is showing. If not, then the exe file has not been copied properly. Install the license code, which appears in the email that you're sent when you get the download. And we'll just quickly check that the thread sizes are loaded properly. So when you create a grid the first time, make sure you load the default thread sizes file. This then allows you to select different size threads to use in your weave, and that completes the installation of VisualWEAVE.